Masala Mama here. Who doesn't love mint chutney? Every Ramadan, I make a lot of mint chutney because there's going to be a lot of samosas, there's going to be a lot of rolls, there's going to be a lot of potato cutlets, and you need mint chutney. I'm going to show you how you can make it, freeze it, and then take it out and use it anytime you want. Let's make it. So what I do is I make my chutney base, which is lots of mint, and use the stems. If the stem is really, really hard, you can discard it, but otherwise use all of the stems. They have so much flavor. So I'll post the ingredients on the screen. Other than mint, you're going to also need some cilantro. Make sure your cilantro stems are completely free of debris. Wash it in running cold water thoroughly. And use the stems as well. They have so much flavor, just like the mint. And the third ingredient I'm going to use are green chilies. These are very mild. I'm using them for flavor. Here's a tip. Make sure that you buy these ingredients a day or two before you're about to use them. That way they're going to be really fresh. So I added the green chilies, I added the cilantro, and I added the mint. Now, there's nothing in it that has liquid, and I need to blend this, so I'm going to add water. You can make this in your food processor as well, but I'm using this Ninja food blender. The other good thing about making a chutney like that is you can make it as coarse or as thin or fine as you like it. And once this is ready to go, you are going to place it in ice cube trays. Mine are labeled because I use these ones specifically for mint chutney. Here's another tip. Pour a tiny bit of oil at the bottom of the ice cube trays. Swirl it around to coat the bottom. What this does is when you need your ice cube, you just push from the bottom and the oil helps to dislodge it very fast. Next, it's up to you how you want to do this. This is a really deep and large ice cube tray. And each of these cubes is about 2.5 tablespoons of the mint chutney mix. And once they're all like that, you are going to just shake it down so the water distributes throughout. And you're going to cover it and freeze it. And all you have to do is every time you need one, you take out a cube or two. You can just let it rest at room temperature and thaw, or you can put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This recipe makes about 20 of these cubes. Okay, let's make the chutney. Thaw the mint chutney at room temperature, or you can put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and then you can use it. Just make sure that when you add the yogurt, the chutney is not very hot, or else the yogurt is going to curdle. And now you're going to add some spices. I'm going to add my homemade chaat masala. I do sell it, so if you want to get some for Ramadan, please DM me. Mix all of that. You don't need any other spices. And now you're ready for Ramadan. Enjoy!